Hey everyone, it's Bob Stone with Barudan America, and I want to give you a tip on how to clean the touchscreen on your K-Series Automat. First of all, never ever spray cleaner directly onto the Automat. It can damage the electronics, it can make the touchscreen inoperable, and then you have to replace the whole screen. So the proper way to clean it is with a soft microfiber towel, whatever cleaner you want to use. Spray the cloth, do not spray the Automat, and then gently wipe down the Automat. It's a good idea to let it sit there for a few minutes or so and then take the dry part of the cloth and then clean it off. So that's how you clean the K-Series Automat. Another way you could clean it is you could use a lens wipe, an alcohol wipe. These are used for eyeglasses, camera optics, and you could clean the Automat with this. But again, never spray the Automat with any type of liquid. It will damage the electronics, and then you would have to replace the entire screen. So if you have any questions, let us know at Barudan America, and thanks for watching.